Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. So today I want to talk about hot topic word decluttering. It can sound very scary, overwhelming, and most of our clients are like, I need to declutter and I don't know where to start. This is all very, overwhelming, giving me anxiety, and I just want to break it down for you. Most homes are going to need some type of decluttering at some point, some type of tidying. It is an ongoing thing, although we try to make it more long-term solutions so you're not having to do it so often, but it is necessary. I'm going to give you an example. This weekend, my kids come home. We've got all these little trinkets and toys that they get from this event and that event, and there's one drawer in my house that is dedicated to these trinkets. And also their money and their school cards and I don't know, Pokemon things. Anyway, all these little clutter things that come in the house, when I need to tidy up, I just throw them in there. I put them in there. Now, that being said, this drawer got to a point where I could barely open up or close the drawer. And so I told the kids this weekend, we're gonna declutter. We're just gonna do one drawer. So what do? We pull everything out of the drawer. We sort through it. Okay, whose is what's? This is yours. This is yours. What do we need to get rid of? What do you actually want to keep? And then we were left with a bin for one kid, a bin for another kid, some money, and some gems for their Crocs. Anyway, a very kid-friendly drawer. So they each have a little basket of trinkets and fidgets and little toys like that. And it looks so much better. And the boys were like, that looks so good. That was so satisfying. And that was just one drawer. All you need to do is start with one drawer. Because it maybe took us 15 minutes, maybe a little bit less. And that was with kids. So I would just, when you think of the word decluttering, break it down and really just focus on one piece at a time. And if you are feeling stuck, that's when you should reach out to a professional organizer, because we do this all the time and we can help you get through any of those sticking points or maybe those overwhelming feelings. So just wanted to share that story with you about decluttering, and I'm gonna see you next week. Let me know how your drawer goes. Get after it this week. See ya.